The XXF 450.
Whoa!
With injection control. 4 valve dual overhead cam and fuel injection.
Ano boss, nasira mo ba?
Nasira ako.
Nahilig mo manira eh, no? Iyan, picture mo na.
Wait, picture mo na. Picture mo na. Ayan, dami fans ka.
Daming fans na eh. So ngayong araw guys, wala muna tayong done deal. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Vermosa, Cavite. Siyempre, big shoutout natin suot nating Imprint Custom, Sec Pants, Elevate Shoes, siyempre kay Sec Motor Supply. Na-invite tayo ni Access Plus or Ducati Philippines dahil meron silang bagong motor na ilo-launch. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Sama natin, Touch Abdul. Papasok na sa off-road tong Goldwing niya. So shoutout natin, siyempre, Coach Mel Aquino ng Performance Philippines. Yeah! Good show.
Hoy! What's up?
Look at this dude. Kailan yung reso? Kanya kayo magtatanong. So, meron silang ilo-launch. Fantic, Caballero. So, tatlong variant yan guys.
.500 Rally is designed for those who appreciate aesthetics and have a strong, adventurous spirit.
Perfect siya para sa mga off-road.
Ladies and gents, introducing the Fantic XE300, ridden by PSPK racer and former FIM 300 World Championship racer, Troy Alberto. Got top-tier Kayaba SSS suspension and a lightweight aluminum frame offering class-leading handling, unmatched power. The 300cc two-stroke engine that quickly builds into addictive torquey drive through the mid-range.
I'm happy to be able to see this here in the Philippines and for people to ride it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Fantic XF450, ridden by no less than the legend himself, 18-time Philippine motocross champ, Glenn Aguilar. The XXF450 is equipped with Kayaba 48mm both tuned. But
It's really a nice bike.
Saban jump! Let's go! Glenn Aguilar guys.
Electronic control unit with traction control. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fantic XEF 450 Rally, ridden by four-time Philippine Superbike champion, TJ Alberto. The XEF 450 Rally is powered by a powerful single-cylinder 4-stroke liquid-cooled engine with 4 valve dual overhead cam and fuel injection.
Ano boss, nasira mo ba?
Nasira ako.
Nahilig mo manira eh, no?
Ganda.
Iyan, picture mo na.
Wait, picture mo na. Ayan, dami fans ka.
Daming fans na eh. Idol namin to, boy. Let's go. So yun guys, tapos na tayo umattend ng launching ng Fantic na motorcycle. So, Jetlaw Rider po ito. Ride safe and God bless. Let's go.